Hello, this is Paul with Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan 23515 is the stock number. It's a billet silver. It's kind of a gunmetal grayish silver, beautiful color. It's got leather interior. It's kind of a pleather with a suede insert. It's a beautiful van. It's only got 38,000 miles. It's an automatic power rear entry, wheelchair accessible vehicle. Converted right here. Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. And this is just one of the many types of vehicles that we convert. We've got the Dodge Grand Caravan, the Chrysler Pacifica, Toyota Sienna. We also offer cool cars, little hatchback Kia Souls with wheelchair accessible ramps, power transfer seats. You can drive right from your transfer right from your wheelchair. We have a huge selection. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Check out all of our vehicles. Look at our YouTube page as well. Check out our page where we have dozens and dozens of walk around videos like this one. This is an automatic rear entry, brand new floor, brand new wheelchair conversion, just freshly done here at our manufacturing plant. This vehicle has bucket seats in the second row, dual power sliding doors, power rear hatch. Does not have a backup camera. Does not have the touchscreen radio. But it is like brand new. 38,000 miles. 2017 model SXT. Sporty wheels. Bucket seats. Rear air conditioning and heat. Just push the button in the door jamb to shut the doors. Or from the key fob. It's also got remote start as well. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call. Toll-free 1-800-625-6335. We're located in Battle Creek in Michigan. We offer in-house free demonstrations. We also offer coast-to-coast delivery for additional charge. We take trade-ins. We offer financing up to 10 years financing, so we can make the payments very affordable. It's a beautiful van, sporty, fog lamps, cool wheels. And in the background there you can see a Chevy Silverado. We offer Chevy Silverados and Chevy Suburbans that are wheelchair accessible. GMC Yukons, GMC Sierras that you can enter from the driver's side or the passenger side with a push of a button. Check out those YouTube walk around videos on our page. Huge selection of vehicles. This is a beautiful, just one of dozens and dozens of wheelchair accessible vehicles we have here in stock. Automatic rear entry, Kneelvan. Converted right here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Set up an appointment for an in-house demonstration. So it's got the power doors, got a little mirror there. You can see your occupants in the back there, in the rear. Really nice van. If you're interested, 23515 is the stock number. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. If you are in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, we'd love to earn your business. Beautiful van, like brand new. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.